Imagine walking into your home and feeling instantly inspired, every corner reflecting your personality and creativity. Today, I'll share quick and easy home decor tips that will transform your space effortlessly. Colors set the mood of a room. Choose soft neutrals for a calming effect or bold hues for energy. Try accent walls, colorful cushions, or artwork to add vibrancy without overwhelming your space. Layering different textures like plush rugs, wooden tables, and velvet cushions adds richness and depth to your space, making it visually intriguing and cozy. Lighting changes everything. Use warm lights for a cozy feel, pendant lamps for style, and LED strips to highlight architectural details. Your home should reflect you. Display personal artwork, travel souvenirs, or family photos to add character and warmth. Small changes make a big impact. Try these tips and watch your home come to life. Subscribe for more creative decor ideas.